Exercise 3.7, question number 3. A train covered a certain distance at a uniform speed. If the train would have been 10 km per hour faster, it would have taken 2 hours less than the scheduled time. And if the train were slower by 10 km per hour, it would have taken 3 hours more than the scheduled time. Find the distance covered by the train. In this question, the train is covering a certain distance with the uniform speed that is given. And the two situations are, in one, if the speed is increased by 10 km per hour, then the time will reduce by 2 hours. Similarly, if the speed is reduced by 10 km per hour, 3 hours more time will require. Now we have to formulate linear equation in two variables. For that, assume that the speed of the train be x km per hour and the scheduled time be y hours. If the speed is x and scheduled time is y, then the distance covered will be x into y, because speed is equal to distance upon time. Therefore, distance is equal to speed into time. This x means the speed and y means the scheduled time. Now, according to question, if the speed is increased by 10 km, that means x plus 10. The time required will be 2 hours less. That means y minus 2. But the distance covered will remain the same, that is xy. And hence equation can be formed as x plus 10 into y plus 2, y minus 2 is equal to xy. If you multiply the two brackets, we get xy minus 2x plus 10y minus 20 is equal to xy. Now xy will get cancelled from both the sides and equation will reduce to minus 2x plus 10y is equal to 20. Now 2 is common in both sides and hence this equation can be written as minus x plus 5y is equal to 10 by dividing both sides by 2. Let us call this as a equation number 1. Now given condition is that if we reduce the speed by 10 km, that means x minus 10, the time required will be 3 hours more, that means y plus 3. But again the distance covered will remain same, that is xy, and hence equation can be formed as x minus 10 into y plus 3 is equal to xy. And if we multiply the two brackets, we get xy plus 3x minus 10y minus 30 is equal to xy. xy common, both sides will get cancelled and equation reduces to 3x minus 10y is equal to 30. Let us call this equation as a equation number 2. Now by elimination we can solve the pair of linear equation. For that we will multiply equation number 1 by 3 and we will remain the equation 2 as it is. Equation number 1 into 3 will become minus 3x plus 15y is equal to 30. And writing equation 2 as it is will be 3x minus 10y is equal to 30. Simply adding the two equations, we can eliminate variable x. Minus 3x plus 3x will get cancelled and we will get 5y is equal to 60. Thereby y is equal to 60 upon 5 will give us the value of y as 12. Now putting this value of y equal to 12 in equation number 1, we get minus x plus 5 into 12 is equal to 10. That means 60 minus 10 is equal to x. Transferring this minus x to this side and 10 to this side, we will get x is equal to 50. X is the speed of the train. That means the speed of the train will be 50 km per hour. And y is scheduled time, and therefore the scheduled time is 12 hours. Therefore distance covered, which is equal to x into y, will become 50 into 12, that is 600 km.